A desk light glows, another long day, but you're still here, a breath away. It's not the perks, it's not the walls, it's someone who hears when I risk it all. You don't flinch when I get things wrong, you just nod and help me carry on. There's no manual for this kind of grace, but you bring it into every space. I show up because you're there, not just skilled, but someone who cares. You make it safe to speak, to try, to fail, to rise, to ask why. You don't need applause to lead, you just give what people need. Shoulder to shoulder, we build what lasts through the chaos. We move steadfast, it's more than task, it's trust we sow with every yes and every no. You make me better, I make you strong, and somehow we all belong. This isn't just a job we do, it's a place made bright by working with you. You see the storm before it hits and ask, how can I help with this? You pull your weight and more besides, then turn and lift the one who hides. Some call it culture, some say team, but it's you who turns the work into a dream. We don't need perfection here, we just need to show up year by year. When the pressure is high and courage feels thin, you show me we already have what we need within. One voice that says we've got this means I don't face the fire alone. It's shared between shoulder to shoulder. The days feel light, we face each goal with shared insight. No silent fear, no mask to wear, just people who genuinely care. You give me space and I give you mine. Together we make the whole design. This isn't just career or pay, it's how we grow along the way. So here's to the ones who stay, who listen, who lead the quiet way. Shoulder to shoulder we find our way and build a better world day by day.